Hot Rod, Harley Davidson. We're at, well, this is bike time over here. We're gonna go to Rebel Road, but yeah, there's a few bikes here. Not too bad for a Friday at...
It's early Friday, it's noon.
Huh?
It's noon.
Friday, yeah, I would say Friday at noon. We took the day off work. Yeah. I want to get on a Lowrider ST and see if it's actually the bike I want to buy or not. So I'm gonna go check it out. It's the start. Nice day today. Rain tomorrow.
Yeah, right.
We'll see, right? Not like Sturgis or Hill City.
No, not at all.
I don't think you found anything as organized as that.
No. The guy that's working is a little OCD and wants all the bikes in a certain way. Have fun, be careful. Have fun, be careful.
So I just got off the test drive demo, Lowrider ST, and I was supposed to follow a path, but this group of guys, 3 guys, they came up on behind me and they said they went left at a light we were supposed to go right at, and I just followed them. It ended up being this 100-mile-an-hour club. It's just a group of guys that get together. 100-mile-an-hour club. It's a good name for them. So anyways, good demo. Lowrider ST, jury's still out on that one.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Still not sure? Is it your leg positioning?
The leg positioning I was okay with.
Okay.
It's just the feel of a heavier bike versus a lighter bike, you know. So we'll see.
Okay.
I haven't rode it off yet, but
Yeah.
it's fast though.
It's fast, yeah.
Definitely fast. Weight ratio.
Yeah.
So
Thank God, because you were with those guys.
yeah, those guys were going fast. There's a monkey. Oh, the monkey with the relic. I can't remember where it's at though. Chuck Norris. Shrimpalicious. She's got 3. What's that?
Smell some gas.
What's that bike right there? Look at that gas.
This is the only crowd.
Jeez. Throw a cigarette down. Thing up here in Muskegon, you always see some old bikes, man. That's a Survivor. Rebel Road. They got concerts going on over there. There you go, CD. Right on, brother. Cool. It's pretty busy.
Pretty good turnout.
Yeah. I can only imagine it's only going to get busier as the night goes on. I don't know if that's the news up there or what. Yeah. Friday night.
Anyone had a choice between Ohio and Muskegon bike night? This would be their choice.
You pick Ohio. You pick Muskegon versus Ohio.
Muskegon over Ohio.
I agree with that. I agree. I totally agree. Yeah, trying to talk about the difference between Ohio Bike Week and this. They shut their town down like Sturgis does, and they got bikes down here. They got a Harley Davidson dealership that's just a few steps away from here, which is Mad River.
No. Hot Rod.
Hot Rod. I'm sorry. It's Hot Rod Harley Davidson. This is a Friday night. Just turned 5 o'clock. They've got the band starting in there. They got bands starting at the Harley Davidson dealership. Hot Rod. Finishing our Muskegon trip off with a little morning ride down by the beach. It's our 3rd year and we've always done this ride and we always forget how awesome it is.
How nice, yeah, it's so nice.
Very nice, peaceful, wooded roads with some nice curves. Then a lot of sections with views like this. It's really hard to beat. Talking to a guy at the restaurant last night, he had said something. We totally agree.
Yeah, if you're ever in Muskegon area, definitely. North Shore Drive?
North Shore Drive, Scenic Road, Memorial. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a bunch of state land, Muskegon State Park, if you get on that road. But just look for the roads that run along the water.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Get back on the bike and probably head for home. It's supposed to be some rain today.
Storms.
Storms. Imagine that. That's been a bit. Hopefully we're dealing with all the storms right now, so our Sturgis trip is good. So back on the bike and headed for home. See you guys.
See ya.